How to use NordVPN. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. You can easily install it from your Play Store or App Store. Tap Open your NordVPN. Now you have to go ahead and log in or sign up to your NordVPN account, so go ahead and do that. To sign up to your NordVPN, you can use the manual process of entering your email address and credential, or just select Sign up with Google or Apple. If you select Sign up with Google, it will display a list of accounts that you can connect to your NordVPN. Select any, then tap on Continue. Now wait until it is connected to your NordVPN. Then again, tap on Continue. Now allow the permission it asks for. Now just like that, you have signed in to your NordVPN. You can easily connect to your NordVPN by selecting any of this country, but make sure that you are not using premium countries, because for that you will be needing the Plus package of NordVPN. So it has the feature of a mesh net. So mesh net is a NordVPN feature that will allow you to create a secure private network for your devices. Yes, when I mean devices, you can connect devices remotely, link them together, and send your online traffic through them and manage their access. You can also use MeshNet for various day-to-day online activities, such as to share files and play games. Another feature is you can track your connectivity. If you select your profile, you will see a dashboard where it will let you know for how long have you been connected to a VPN, check for your dark web monitor, and also gain some security score. And that is exactly how you can NordVPN to create a more secure private network for you. Extra feature is you can also select your personal server. If you select the drop-down icon of Specialty Server, you will find various of server you can connect with a simple tap. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.